My name is Lonneke Gordijn.
I'm Nauta.
And we are Drift.
Drift is an artist collective and we create sculptures merging nature and technology to create new life forms.
Breaking Waves is a moving light sculpture with 300 drones that perform in conjunction with the Elbphilharmonie in Hamburg, this fantastic building by Herzog de Meuron. We created the sculpture for the 5th anniversary of the Elbphilharmonie, celebrating the building and celebrating what this building means for the city. We are using drones to complement the building, to play with it, to discover it.
We looked at the relationship of the building and its location. We took that as an inspiration to create this performance, to emphasize these movements and frequencies in this sculptural architectural building.
The building suggests waves, and we are creating those waves also in the performance. And they go from very quiet waves to stormy waves. It's not so much about the technology you work with, it's about what you do with it. First, it's about the light and about the movement and about how we speak to an audience.
New tech comes very close to magic. That's when you can engage an audience, you can open up their mind and plant an idea.
Movement and music are tools to bring an audience all together at the same frequency and the same time, where people can really connect with the place, with other people. Everything suddenly becomes much more easy when you're all breathing, living and being at the same frequency in the same moment.